Hello, third graders, and today we are going to learn how to identify major highways on a map. Now, major highways can be very beneficial for map readers because it is probably the most effective way to get from place to place. So, as you can see, I'm looking at a map of Connecticut, and there are some really big yellow lines running through Connecticut, and those are all highways. And if you even look more closely, you can see some blue numbers, or some numbers outlined in blue with the red on top. That means that it's an interstate highway, and that would be in major highway. So if I zoom in, you can kind of see that 84 is a major interstate highway in Connecticut that runs over here. There's 91 that runs north to south, 691, 95. Those are all major interstate highways. Now, there's also numbers that are outlined in white, and those are like the route numbers. So those are also kind of highways that can take you from town to town. So like you can see that Route 8 runs all the way north to south. Same with Route 9 in the middle, but those really don't go as far as the major highways. So in order to look, if you look closely at a map, you can see that like I said, the major highways are in yellow, and then the regular streets are in white. And some of those route numbers, like Route 71, let me see here, 99, those are, they'll take you from multiple towns, but they are not considered to be highways. If it's in yellow, that thick yellow line, you are looking at a highway.